there, scientists, and welcome to another PS Science video. I'm Miss Oyanoki, and today we take to the skies. Since we can't build a real airplane right now, we're going to build a model to help us understand more about flying. When engineers are preparing to build something, they usually make a model to help them work out any kinks before they build the real thing. We're going to make our model out of paper today. We're going to make a paper airplane. You can use any kind of paper, and actually if you have different kinds of paper, you can try many different kinds of airplanes. I'm going to show you the basic airplane today, but if you want to try a fancier or more complicated version, then go online with a grown-up and see what you can find. So to do this, we're going to start with a piece of paper, and you're going to fold your paper in half. When we made kites, we folded it the horizontal way, but this time we're going vertical, up and down, the hot dog way. Okay, then you're going to open it back up and fold one corner until it meets the center line right here. And then do the same thing on the other side. Fold the other corner until it meets the center line in the middle. Now it looks like a house. Now we're going to make these are going to end up being our wings. We're going to make them a little skinnier. So now we're going to take this point, the corner of our house, and bring it in towards the middle line. Do the same thing on the other side. Bring this point in towards the middle line. Now you end up with a tent. So now we're going to fold our triangle shape in half along that middle line. We end up with a skinnier triangle. Now we need to fold the wings down. So just pick a side, start with one side, and you're going to take the edge of the triangle and fold it down till it goes a little bit over this bottom part. And make sure to leave this tip nice and pointy. Flatten that down. Then flip it over and fold the other wing down. So I'm going to try to make it match so that they're even. Fold it the same way down. Flatten it. Now when I open it back up, my wing should be even and I have a little place to hold my plane. Now all I have to do is throw it to test it out. How was your airplane able to fly? Airplanes rely on 4 forces to keep them in the air. One of these is lift. The wings act like an air deflector. The wings push down on the air, and the air in turn push up on the wings, creating lift and keeping the plane in the air. Depending on the angle of the wings can control the amount of lift the plane gets. Another of these is the plane's weight. A plane needs to be balanced. You don't want it to be too top-heavy or too bottom-heavy. There's also drag. Drag is caused by the friction between the air passing over the airplane and the surface of the plane. Drag slows a plane down. Airplane designers can design the shape of the plane to control the amount of drag that the plane gets. Now the last of these is thrust. Once the airplane is in the air, it needs to go forward to get where it needs to go. Thrust can be created by the jet engines from the back, or propellers, or, in the case of our paper airplane, with our hand, throwing it forward. Now it's time to do a little engineering and do an airplane redesign. Taking what you know about lift, drag, weight, and thrust, try to redesign your paper airplane to either fly farther or faster. Make a sketch of your design, and then do your best to try to build that design, test it, and record your results. Happy flying! Okay, scientists, thanks for watching. Did you enjoy that lesson? Subscribe below to see more fun science videos. You can also become a member of PS Science on Patreon to support what we're doing. See you next time!